I am Matthew Tellier. I am the sales manager here at AMCI, located in beautiful Terryville, Connecticut. We manufacture rotary sensors, motion control products, and specialty I/O modules for Rockwell automation PLCs. Our main focus is in automotive, food and beverage, material handling, and automated assembly is probably our primary industries that we serve. So we started out as a provider of resolver interfaces and resolvers for Allen Bradley PLCs over 30 years ago, but the company's evolved a little bit over the years, and now our primary focus is on motion control products. So we make integrated stepper motors, servo products, anything that has to do with motion control. We can provide solutions that integrate seamlessly into Rockwell automation PLCs. Our partnership with Rockwell Automation allows us to integrate seamlessly into the PLC programming through tools such as EDS files and add-on instructions, which other companies can't provide. So it makes the programming startup and implementation a lot simpler and a lot smoother and a lot faster. When a user takes an AMCI product and plugs it in, it's ready to go. There's not a lot of learning curve with our products because our products program directly with their software package as opposed to some sort of third-party programming language or third-party software that they need to implement and then go into the PLC. Everything is one source when you're working with AMCI products.